Hello and welcome back. Today we are at Miyapur showcasing a brand new 2 BHK. This home has been designed for a family of 4 with 2 cute little girls who are Frozen fans. The console unit in the living area has been accentuated with stone cladding to give that Zen vibes. In fact, the whole house has been elevated with some special highlights. My favorite part of the house is undeniably the kids' bedroom with Anna and Elsa in it. To find out yours, please watch the entire video and leave in comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.